Hi guys! Welcome back to Bonus Kitchen. Today we will make chocolate chip cookie bars. These bars are everything you would want in a dessert. It's very easy to make and no chilling or rolling into balls required. Are you ready? Let's get baking! We will need 2 1/4 cups of plain flour, 3/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, 2 cups of dark chocolate chips, or you can also use milk chocolate, 2/3 cups of white sugar, 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. To start, sift together the flour, corn flour, baking soda, and salt. Give it a mix and set this aside. In a bowl, add the butter, brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla extract, and eggs. Mix them together until incorporated. Add in the dry ingredients and using a spatula, mix them together until well combined. You can also use a whisk to mix them. Add in the dark chocolate chips, but set aside a handful of it for the topping. Mix them together. Make sure that the chocolate chips are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Pour the mixture in an 8 by 8 inches baking pan, greased and lined with parchment paper. Spread it evenly. And top it with the remaining chocolate chips. Then bake these in a preheated oven of 170 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes or until the edges are set and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out relatively clean. After baking, let it cool for at least 1 hour before cutting them into slices or portions. And here's our finished product! These bars are sweet, chewy, and bursting with chocolate goodness. It can also be served with a scoop of ice cream. I hope you give this a try. And this is what it looks like inside. Look at that. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified for the next delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!